Hi, I'm Neil Daughtry. I'm the Senior Projects Director with Crest Regeneration. I started life as a civil engineer, and I wanted to become a civil engineer because I wanted my job to involve the creation of something tangible. I moved out of engineering and into development because I wanted to play a part on a broader stage. At Bath Riverside, Crest has a planning permission for 2,281 homes, of which 25% would be affordable, 345 student bedrooms, a school and some commercial space, along with a public park and some significant infrastructure improvements. The consented area extends to 44 acres. It's one of the biggest schemes in the southwest and gives us the opportunity to create an exemplar project in a number of ways. The sustainability measures we've incorporated include ecology, flood prevention, transport, encouragement of local employment and apprenticeships, use of local materials, and importantly, the implementation of an appropriate energy strategy. The current energy strategy is based on a centralised approach to heat and power generation through a series of linked energy centres across the development. It's the intention that the primary school will be zero carbon. The main plant will be located in this energy centre. It consists of combined heat and power units, a biomass boiler and gas boilers. The decision to use district heating to meet our carbon aspirations is partly driven by the restrictions imposed by developing in a sensitive city like Bath, which has UNESCO World Heritage status. The inherent beauty of Bath can restrict the use of some technologies on a large scale. For example, on other projects we might have used photovoltaic panels on the roof, but in Bath the view from the hillsides is really important, so this prevented their use. Another measure might have been ground source heat pumps. But the fear was that this would interfere with the aquifer which feeds the famous hot springs of Bath. So this led us down the route of using CHP and district heating. We employed E.ON as our partners in the design and installation of the system. They have a huge amount of experience in Europe with district heating and so make ideal partners.
E.ON have been responsible for designing, building and operating the district heating system at Bath Riverside. Through the scheme, residents will not only be receiving low-carbon, reliable heating, but they'll also have the peace of mind that E.ON is looking after their system 24/7 with engineers on call to help with any problems. What's really exciting at Bath Riverside is that E.ON and Crest have reused an old Victorian pumping station. We've managed to keep the original features while working on 2 levels in the energy centre and installing a brand new chimney. This energy centre works by heating hot water, which is then pumped out across the district heating network to customers' homes. The heat in the energy centre is generated from 2 main sources. The first, a combined heat and power engine, which not only generates heat for the network, but also low carbon electricity for the local grid, and a biomass boiler, which burns sustainably sourced biomass pellets. Between them, these sources will contribute towards achieving a saving of over 1,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide per year once the scheme is fully developed. By generating the energy in one source, we're able to achieve much greater carbon savings by using technology such as combined heat and power and generating electricity at the same time, and by burning biomass in a large biomass boiler. The energy centre has a 230 kilowatt electrical output combined heat and power engine and a 400 kilowatt biomass boiler, along with backup boilers. They're all capable of delivering about 6 gigawatt hours of heat to the network each year. It's really exciting to be part of the Bath Riverside development, building a low carbon district heating scheme which will reduce the environmental impact of residents here at Bath for years to come. Bath Riverside, it's a great location, it's a great development right on the river in the heart of Bath. It's a fantastic place to live really, and Bath's a really, really exciting and vibrant city with lots going on.
As a forward-thinking developer, Crest are always looking at what we can do next and our impacts on the wider community. We know that Bath and North East Somerset Council are considering building a city-wide heat network And there's a possibility that Crest will be able to link into that in due course. It's great that Crest can be part of the evolving story of wider Bath. And the Energy Centre here is an example of the successful blending of old and new in the city.